In this video, I'm going to walk you through the quick and easy process of replacing the battery in your Audi Allroad Quattro key fob. So all you'll need to get this done is one of the replacement batteries, and for this device, you can either have a CR2032 or a CR1632. We'll get to that in just a second once we open this thing up. And both of these batteries you can get online, and down in the description you will find a link to find these batteries on Amazon for a low price. All we want to do here is flip the key open, and there's two halves of the device, so you can actually just pull it right apart like that. And if that is difficult, you can take a flathead screwdriver, and on the back there is this indentation. You can just go in, twist, and that'll make it easier to separate. Now down here on the bottom section, once again, we can just open this thing up, come down here, use these two lips where the key was housed before to just pry the plastic open. And if that is proving to be difficult, just take the same flathead screwdriver, go in this little key area right there, and you can just pry, just get some better leverage with your flathead screwdriver. So inside, you're going to have your battery. It's either just going to come out, or if it's not so loose, you can pry it out. But in my case, I'm just going to dump that out. You can see I have the 1632 here. You might also have the 2032. Just pull out your battery, check what it says. And obviously, if you have the 1632, you will be buying one 1632 to replace it. And the same goes for the 2032. You just need one 2032. And when you have your new battery and you're ready to put it in there, make sure, and this goes, it's the same for both of the batteries, make sure that the positive side that has the plus sign on it and that information is facing down. Just set that into place, positive side down. Put the other half right on top and squeeze. And then you can connect these two pieces again and give it a good squeeze back into place. And with that, you are finished. I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, feel free to leave us a like or a comment. And if you ever need help with another key fob, you can come back here to this channel and we'll have you covered with a tutorial like this one.